Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today, we are going to be creating a spread for the first week of May and then last week of April. So, the transition between the months. I'm doing this in my catch-all planner, which is sketchy florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. That means it's 9 discs. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you guys. So today I'm using stickers from Easter Case. There's a whole sticker book called Picnic Time. I also pulled out some pat tape that is basically cherry blossom, and I thought I'm just gonna make like a whole pink beautiful scene up here for all of this stuff. So bear with me as I do that, and then we'll go ahead and create this together. So I'm just taking out the bottom lines for the florals, not necessarily going to do that on the sides, even though I do want to like half frame this, but we shall see what happens because I have not made a full decision just quite yet. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and pull up those flowers and then cut them in half and kind of put them on accordingly. So we'll do that like so. I think that'll be good. So look how pretty these are. These are from Easter Case. They're from their PET or PET tape collection. These are pre-cut, so they're kiss cut. And then you can just go ahead and like do whatever you need to do with them. So like I said, I'm going to be cutting them in half. I do have a video coming up with all of my pet tape collections. So hopefully you guys can join me for that and enjoy the collections that I have. And then if there's a tape that you guys want me to use, leave it in the comments and then we'll go from there. But that's coming up. That's not right now. So for right now, I'm going to focus on these really gorgeous florals and we'll go from there. But yeah, I have 4 different pat tapes with different cherry blossoms basically, or pink flowers, but mostly cherry blossoms. And I just decided to like mix and match them. They're slightly different hues, all of them, but I think they work pretty well together. They're all pastel, very delicate, feels like spring for sure. So that's where we are. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking them, cutting them, placing them, and so on. So that is the first like progress of this spread. So I think it is very like delicate, like I said, and I can't wait to combine it with a book. And just like I mentioned on this side, I'm not going to be removing the line. I'm just going to be placing the actual flowers on top of the line, and it is what it is. I think it's going to be fine, but we shall see because, you know, I never know. I never know how that's going to go. So I'm going to use the shorter one on this side, and I think I'm going to put the taller one on this side, which will take a little bit of my Sunday away, but you know what? It's probably worth it. So for the like look of it. So I'm gonna see, maybe I can keep all of my to-do lists on the top and then we can go from there. But yeah, that's basically it. And then let's go ahead and do this little tiny flower on the bottom, and that's going to fill up that gap and it's going to close the framing of the bottom. So I think that looks good. Like I said, there's multiple cherry blossoms in here, so I have 4 different kinds. I pulled out a sheet out of each of them. And again, these are PE tapes, so that means that they're like on a loop. So I cut the best to the best of my ability to make sure that these are not wasted.
like not cut through any flowers. So yeah, so I just pulled like one loop out of each kind, and like I said, they're gorgeous and stunning, and I'm super super excited. So I was thinking about doing all of the to-do lists on the top, but I think I'm gonna kind of alternate them, because otherwise I've like all my writing is on the top, and I'm like, it's okay, but once in a while I want something different. So today I'm feeling to kind of interchange them. So we're gonna go from there. But yeah, I'm just gonna be drawing these. And like I said, these stickers are from Easter Case. If you guys are shopping there, I would truly appreciate if you use my code. The code is Kasha for 12% off. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and I really, really appreciate when you use my code. I do get a small commission from this. So I truly appreciate you guys. But yeah, let's keep going. So I still have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is going to be a little cramped because of those flowers, but I am not getting rid of them, you guys. They are stunning. They have like this brown sheen to them on the edges, which is like almost like line art, and it is looking almost goldish when you look at it. So these are the individual cherry blossom flowers without branches, and like I said, very very pretty. I did not expect to like them as much as I do. But yeah, let's keep going. So I'm using this picnic sticker book from Easter Case. It's called Picnic Time. I am going to use this beautiful table that's already set up, and it's all for like underneath the cherry blossom tree. Look how amazing it looks. So yeah, we'll keep going and adding different elements until we have a full spread. I have this girl with the umbrella or a parasol, whichever one you like to call it. So I don't know if she's shielding from the rain or if she's shielding from the sun. But yeah, we're gonna add her in right on this side. And these stickers are pretty opaque, so you can't really see the lines through them. Like even with the cherry blossoms, those lines are visibly very minimally, so I don't have to really cover them up. For boxes, I'm going to be using the Spring 2 from Mojo Jojo Plans. On the back of the book, there's these really beautiful pink light stickers, and we're going to use a box for every single day. So yeah, I'll keep doing that. Um, and then let's place them. There's a limited space on some of these days where I already placed decorations like this girl. So I will do my best to kind of work around this. But I am loving it, truly. So I know that these boxes are not very visible when it comes to stickers. However, when it comes to pictures of stickers. However, once in a while, I really, really do like making a spread that is a lot lighter and a lot more delicate than others. So this is going to be that one for me. And it is going to be probably hard to see on pictures. However, when I look in my planner, it will bring me lots of joy, and that's all this is about. And as always, I'm keeping my spread functional, so I'm creating a full scene on the bottom of the planner, and then like doing all of this like so. Yeah, okay, let's keep going. So I'm gonna add 4 of those tiny little boxes, and I keep my work hours in here, so like what time I get into work and what time I get out, to make sure that I am fulfilling my obligation with hours, as my hours typically at work are not tracked. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I do want to include a lot more stickers into here, so bear with me as I look through this book yet again. But yeah, it just happened to work out that these pet tapes and um, the cherry blossom is in both of these images. So yeah, like the book and the PET tapes. Anyway, this book also has a lot of like really beautiful food, very very appetizing looking for me. So it is making me hungry and flipping through it. But let's keep going. So I found this picnic scene and I want to put it in. I don't know. Let's put it right here. Let's see how it looks. It's cute, but I think, I don't know, I kind of feel like it's taking away from the beautiful sadap tree with the dining table. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it right there, but it is pretty stunning. I mean, all of these stickers are just such a high quality for a very affordable price. So I am, oh, look at this girl. How about we swap it and I take off this picnic, put it on the other side, and we add a girl into here. I'm being super careful because I don't want to rip the page. And I do have undo, but I'm too lazy to get up right now and like pick it up. So, and it's not within my arm's reach. Because I've been filming most of the day today, or a very big part of the day. My room is in a little bit of a shambles, so things are out of reach. After this, as always, I will be cleaning up, so then things will go back to place. But I have been filming quite a few videos today, and sometimes that's what happens when I'm trying to catch up. It gets kind of messy, but you know, that's life. I have like stacks of sticker books next to me. I am fortunate enough where I was able to set up two separate desks within my um, planner room. So I have one for a computer with an extra monitor, and I have one for filming and stickers and like hobby crafting. Um, and my desk for the computer is an L shape, so I'm able to like put Cricut up here and my printer as well. So I love this setup. It brings me so much joy. But yeah, I've been talking about decluttering my stickers for a while now, and I keep running out of time. Things keep happening, so I will get to it. I'm still working on it. But yeah, I will be doing that soon. So for right now, like I will be adding these small flowers throughout, or like cutting them or adding full ones, mostly for kind of plucking the areas. As you guys know, I am a pretty big advocate of a full planner. So I keep it functional, but I also like a lot of decoration in here. So what that means is that no, like every single thing has a sticker where it's a space. So that's what I kind of do, or I will draw my own box when I'm filling it out. But yeah, that is, I think, pretty much it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back into my planner. Let me know what you think. And if you're still here and you're not subscribed, please do so. I would truly, truly appreciate if you would go through this journey with me. So yeah, here we go. This is what it looks like. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this part of the plan with me. And I'll see you guys very soon. Have a great day. Bye.